AI, these terms AI and ML, they are widely talked and least understood. Everybody, you find all these colleges coming and mushrooming up in mofussil areas and rural areas, and they have a BE in AI and ML. Now, what is the caliber, what is the competence of the teachers, and what is the experience and expertise, industry experience of these teachers creating an AI professional? That needs to be validated. Then, artificial intelligence is a smaller offspring of human intelligence. Artificial intelligence works on patterns, cycles, repetitive logics, all governed by humanly written algorithm. So artificial intelligence is only good as its algorithm. If you have a specific algorithm written, let's say take a case of radiology. While I was working for a hospital, we did a lot of things on automating reporting patterns and doing the analysis of X-rays or CT, MRI, things like that. Because what we found, the X-ray that is taken, a digital X-ray, we only take the front side of it. There is so much of underlying data which goes waste. But that creating of data has cost you investment in the machine, in the technology, and in the software stack. What do you do about that data? That data is not garbage. That data is meaningful. How to nurture that data to form a meaningful and more in-depth analysis? There is a specific pathway for that. If an algorithm is written to understand and drive that pathway, it is nothing but putting AI into that particular module.
Fantastic.
And there could be so many instances, like during COVID days, first shot of remdesivir and its effects, whether the patient is improving, what are his vitals, what are his oxygen levels, what is his sleep quality, what is his respiratory rate, all these 17, 18 parameters, they were governed by remdesivir, right? So
Absolutely.
effect of remdesivir on all these things, it had a digital pattern. And the accuracy of pattern depended upon how you collected the sample and what was the frequency of collection. Higher the sample rate, better was the result. Now,
Absolutely.
there could have been a AI engine, we didn't have that time. There could have been an AI engine sending a message to doctor that these are the conditions post remdesivir, and doctor could have taken a decision whether a second shot is required or not.
True, true.
So AI in that context could have prevented overdosage
Certainly.
and thus the patient health in future. So I mean, uh, deployment of AI into healthcare, there is only one limitation: your vision and thinking. If you can think beyond those capsules and service delivery and imagine the future, what can be automated, what can be decided by somebody else, what can be decided by machine, and if you are able to find patterns in that, all these things can be put into a logic or algorithm into AI.